Yo guys, I hope you're all doing good. So it's time to do some workout. I've actually done most of my routine, but I have a few bits and pieces left, so we're gonna go and do it together. So we have a new workout tool. Let me show you. Lift our legs up. This is how we do it. Alright, so we're gonna come here, put our body low. Can't really see, but okay. We're gonna use it for abs too. So you just lay back here, guys. Okay. Back, ready, steady, go. That was so close. So here, oh, much better. Okay, this time we need to bend more. Okay, ready? Oh my god. I can't do it. Okay, we're getting there, guys. So the table looks like this when you remove the stuff. Gonna try handstands. I don't know how to do it, so if I fall, we're good. Let's do it. Okay, at least I can land. It's not like I won't. Last. Guys, workout is done. I'm gonna go and man, I'm hungry. So we've been at it for a good time now. Okay, let's go. I'm tired. Whatever it is, a bit of water, it just fixes the problem. Headaches fixes the problem, and even sugar cravings. So that's one thing that has helped my diet. Whenever I'm craving chocolates or something, and I'm trying my best to control that, I just drink lots. I came on to say, guys, one important thing which you already all know, but even me, I always tend to forget, is you need to drink lots of water. Okay? Like, it's the simplest thing, but it makes the biggest difference. And every time, lots of water, and this whole urge is gone. So, anyways, I think we're about to head out. So, let's go. Okay, I have changed. I got ready, did my makeup. It's the same routine for the makeup, so you guys have seen it a million times. I'm outside, guys.
A salad.
Like, you do realize I've worked my ass off and y'all want to feed me like oily foods right now.
No, you eat the salad.
What is that in my ear? Oh, it's my diet, guys. Like, what the hell is wrong with you?
You eat
Bro, I don't
bread
want
and
anything.
lettuce.
I don't want anything.
No, can I have one of the burgers? Just bread and inside lettuce.
Only.
Oh, you're making that for me?
Yeah. Yeah, that's yours. Apple juice and orange juice. Tell him.
Do you have vegan food? No.
Wait. Can I have one of the Happy
gonna
Meals? Just one of the burgers, just lettuce inside, with no chicken, no beef. Just bread and lettuce. 3 orange, 2 apple.
Do you have vegan for the Happy Meals? Why?
That's enough. I got her bread and lettuce.
Donut.
Yeah, only lettuce inside.
Only bread and lettuce
What's
inside.
the point?
For you. You're vegan. Bread and lettuce only. What happened to the bread?
Yeah. Okay. Lana, do you want to add your order?
No, I don't want anything else.
Fries.
Thank you.
Show him.
Yeah,
Guys,
Lana,
we
you
got
can-
toys. Thank you.
Take the one.
So we got toys.
Salad pillow, sir. 2 have nuggets and 1 chicken burger, only bread, only cheese.
Only bread and lettuce inside. Yes.
Chicken burger normal, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
What's this? I don't understand.
Thank you, thank you. That's it? That's it?
What
Okay,
is
guys.
this?
Oh.
What is this?
Where's Tom? Why is Tom flat on it?
Here. Record you.
Why is it?
Record you? Oh. He understood the sign.
Yeah.
Come on, madam. You're now here at the beach.
Now this feels like the Make-A-Wish now.
Wait, where you come?
I need to pee.
Oh.
I mean, we're
So we're at the beach now.
Look at the view. Look at how great this is.
You guys are like.
We actually have to sit down.
Yeah.
Yes, bring it.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Hey guys.
Run just to bring the toys?
Yeah, I wanted the toys. Come, let's go.
We're here, guys. It's a sunset, and like I don't.
Okay, so Lana is gonna finally get her food, guys. As you can see, we're here. She's been a little bit like grumpy with us.
Your food,
Here's your food. It's vegan.
Yeah.
Bro, they make it more nicer. Like if it's a vegan thing, you put more stuff in it, like lettuce.
Listen, it's about. There is tomato.
This is
lettuce with bun. Are you stupid?
have a bite.
Just have one bite.
You bite it.
Have a
You
bite.
bite first.
Oh, okay, but you have to. It's your turn. Vegan, voila. Vegan.
You need energy.
What you mean?
You just put salad inside a bun.
That's vegan.
Cold. I'm freezing. Are you not freezing?
Okay, we convinced Lana this is a good meal, guys. Now she's happy. Basically,
You're lying at this.
why?
I want to go home. Okay, so we're just having a picnic, guys, by the beach. Honestly, it is pretty cold, and I didn't know that it's going to be this cold. Otherwise, I would have brought a blanket or a jacket. Nice view, though. I mean, it's a sunset, so it would be pretty cool with pictures. Anyhow, guys, I'm just sitting in front of these dumb. Okay, so these guys are trying to go in the water. It is actually pretty cold, guys. I am freezing. I didn't know it's actually cold by the beach because I haven't been to the beach in such a long time. So, yeah, definitely.
Okay, so now, guys, basically my sister has to pack up everything. So can we do this?
Back, gonna head home. Sorry, guys. Haven't been feeling too good, so just need to get myself home ASAP. So let's go.